Okay guys, now we are in our workbench. I've created a schema named product, but this is of no use, but still my database is there, but it is named as classic models. And here it is. And inside this we have all the tables that we need from customer, employees, office, order details, orders, payment, product line, and products. We have all the tables that we need. And I want to, explain a few things before moving on. Let me go here. So inside, as I already told you, a database, relational database, is is like a container inside which we will have a lot of tables. All these tables will have some relationship between them. That's the whole point, right? Because it's a relational database. All these tables inside this relational database will have some relationship between them. So let me explain to you with this diagram. So these are the tables that we have inside our database, and this table product line has four columns from product line, text description, HTML description, and image. And this table has a relationship with this product table, and their relationship is given by the column product line. As you can see, this product line column has a star in it. This represents that this product line is a primary key, which means each and every row will have a unique value. For example, if you take a classroom of 50 students, there is a chance that three students or two students may have the same name. Okay, so we cannot differentiate them with their name. So what we do is we give them roll numbers so that we can differentiate them. So for all the students in the class, everyone will have unique roll numbers. No one will have the same roll number. That's what primary key is. Every row will have a unique value. And this product line column is also present in this product table. And this is what we call a foreign key. When a primary key of one table is also present in another table, we call it a foreign key. And similarly, this table has relationship with this table with a column called product code. And in this case, both of these are primary keys. As you can see, there is a star because these are unique values. I hope you know what is a primary key and what is a foreign key. Now let's move on to our first topic, which is use, show, and describe. So first, we need to decide what database that we need to use, because as you can see in my schemas, I have like one, two, three, four, five databases. I need to select one to use it, right? You might have just two, but I have some more databases because I've been learning yesterday. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this classic models database. Use classic models and a semicolon. Now click on this thunder symbol to run it. Now we are using the classic model database. So now I want to know all the tables in this classic model database. To do that, I use the show command, show tables. And one more thing I want to tell you. Let me zoom it a little bit. It's not working. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. So there is two thunder symbols as you can see. One is just thunder and one has a thunder and then one, right? What is this purpose of these two? Let me explain that. If you want to run all the lines, you click this. But if you just want to run one line, you click this. To give you an example, if I click this, as you can see, both the lines are running. But if I just place my cursor on this line and click this, only this line is running. That's what the purpose of these two thunder symbols. So after running that, I got an output. This is the output screen. This is like the execution screen. Whatever we do will be displayed here, whether it is error or correct execution. So this is the table result we have. We have all the tables that are present in the classic models, from customer, employee, office, order details, everything. So now you know what is the use of the use command and what is the use of the show command. Now let's know the use of the describe command. Describe, I say I want to describe the table customer. Okay, describe customers. If you know pandas, you might have already know what this describe will do. Let me run it and show it. Yeah, this is what this describe function will do. If you want to know the details table, say I want to know what are the columns and what are the types and what is the primary column. If I want to know all that, I use describe. If I describe the customer table, I got all the information. The customer number column is of int type and it has no null values and it is a primary key of that column. And the customer name column, as you can see, these are the columns I have in customer table. Yeah. Oh, we have a lot of columns in this table. All the columns and their type and whether they have null value or not, and what is the key and default and etc. So we get all the information about the table when we use the describe command. So now you know what is the use, show and describe commands do. Let's move to the next one, which is select.